Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a must-have for anybody's closet. That is the Aime Dore New Era fitted hat. If you're unfamiliar with Aime Dore, they're a fashion and lifestyle brand based in Queens, New York, founded in 2014 by Teddy Santis. Here is one of their many New Era cap collaborations. This is a New Era chain stitch Yankees low profile hats in the black colorway, which released last year in September. So I recently picked it up from a seller on Grail, so shout out to him. I came across fitted caps from watching CORTEIZ videos and I liked the look of them a lot. I then saw a post on Lumide's Instagram where he had copped 3 of the different colorways from this collaboration. After that, mixed in with more sightings of fitted caps seen on Instagram, I was sold. This is a different style of hat I'm adding to my current collection, which also includes this trucker cap by CORTEIZ, which you can find the link to that video in the description, so feel free to check that video out. But this is a size 7.5 and the fit is calm. I just need to stress that you measure your head correctly, especially when it comes to fitteds, or else it can be a bit peak. I'm a big fan of some of the details from this cap, from the neatly stitched Yankees logo on the front, as well as the LD logo stitched on the side. I also like the curved brim look, so you know that had to be done once the hat arrived. Other than that, let me know your thoughts on fitted caps. Do you like them, or are you into another style of hat like the CORTEIZ trucker hat? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section down below, and be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video, as well as subscribing for future videos. I appreciate you guys for checking in today. As always, stay blessed.